For centuries she lay hidden, concealed beneath layers of earth and the dust of passing time. Forgotten by the world, her story was buried along with her, waiting for the right moment to be told once more. A silent sentinel from a distant age, the magnificent statue of Athena, crafted by Roman hands, awaited her moment to re-emerge into the light of the modern world. Her presence, though unseen, was a constant reminder of a bygone era, a time when gods and goddesses walked among mortals. This is the story of her rediscovery, her restoration, and the profound impact her unveiling has had on all who have been fortunate enough to gaze upon her once more. The meticulous work of archaeologists and conservators brought her back to life, piece by piece, revealing the artistry and devotion of those who created her. The discovery of such treasures is a stark reminder of the rich tapestry of history that lies beneath our feet. Each excavation uncovers stories long forgotten, connecting us to our ancestors in ways we never imagined. Each artifact, painstakingly unearthed, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the lives, beliefs, and artistry of those who came before us. These objects are not just remnants of the past, they are bridges to understanding the human experience across time. Athena, with her serene countenance and timeless beauty, is no exception. Her image, carved with such precision and care, speaks volumes about the reverence and admiration she commanded. She is a testament to the enduring legacy of the classical world and the power of art to transcend millennia. Her presence in the modern world serves as a bridge between the ancient and the contemporary, reminding us of the timeless nature of beauty and the enduring power of human creativity. To the ancient Greeks, Athena was more than just a goddess. She was the embodiment of wisdom, courage, inspiration, civilization, law and justice, strategic warfare, mathematics, strength, strategy, the arts, crafts, and skill. Born from the head of Zeus, she was a formidable warrior, a patron of heroes, and the protector of cities, particularly her namesake, Athens. Her image adorned temples, her name invoked in prayers, her spirit woven into the very fabric of their civilization. While the Romans adopted Athena, they also infused her image with their own distinct artistic sensibilities. Roman sculptors, renowned for their realism and technical prowess, created countless depictions of Athena. These statues, while often based on Greek prototypes, possessed a unique Roman flavor. They were frequently depicted as more mature, more authoritative, and adorned with Roman military garb, reflecting Rome's martial prowess. The statue at the heart of our story exemplifies this Roman interpretation of Athena. While her pose and attributes, the helmet, the aegis bearing the head of Medusa, are distinctly Greek, her features and attire bear the unmistakable stamp of Roman craftsmanship. The statue, carved from gleaming white marble, stands as a testament to the skill of Roman artisans. Every detail, from the intricate drapery of her robes to the fierce visage of Medusa on her aegis, speaks to the sculptor's mastery. The statue's size, estimated to be over 8 feet tall, only adds to its grandeur, conveying a sense of power and majesty. It is believed that the statue once graced a prominent public space, perhaps a forum or a basilica, where it would have served as a constant reminder of Rome's might and the watchful gaze of their patron goddess. For centuries, it would have stood as a symbol of Roman power and ingenuity, a beacon of civilization in a world often defined by conflict and uncertainty. Section 5. Lost and Found. As the Roman Empire fragmented and declined, many of its treasures were lost to the ravages of time. The grandeur of its cities faded, and the once glorious monuments were left to crumble. Cities were sacked, monuments toppled, and countless works of art vanished beneath the earth, forgotten for centuries. These artifacts, buried under layers of history, became silent witnesses to a bygone era. The statue of Athena was one such casualty, its precise location lost to history. For generations it remained hidden, its story untold and its beauty unseen. How it came to be buried, and under what circumstances, remains a mystery, adding another layer of intrigue to its story. Was it hidden deliberately to protect it from invaders, or was it simply forgotten as the world around it changed? The statue's rediscovery in the early 21st century was a momentous event, capturing the imagination of the public and sending ripples of excitement through the archaeological community. It was a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient civilizations and their ability to inspire awe even in modern times. The circumstances of its discovery remain shrouded in a degree of secrecy, but what is known is that the statue was part of a private collection, hidden away from public view for decades. Its unveiling brought to light not just a piece of art, but a fragment of history, reconnecting us with the past in a profound way. Section 6. The Art of Resurrection. Once the statue's existence became known, a team of experts was assembled to oversee its restoration. The process was painstaking and meticulous, requiring countless hours of delicate work. Using cutting-edge technology and traditional restoration techniques, they carefully removed centuries of dirt, grime, and accretions, slowly revealing the statue's original splendor. The restoration team faced a unique challenge: how to preserve the statue's historical integrity while also making it accessible to the public. Their solution was a testament to their ingenuity and dedication. They devised a system of internal supports that would allow the statue to stand upright without placing undue stress on its ancient marble. Section 7. Unveiling a masterpiece. The culmination of years of work, the statue's unveiling at a prominent museum was met with international acclaim. Crowds flocked to witness the return of this Roman masterpiece, eager to gaze upon its timeless beauty. The unveiling was more than just a cultural event. It was a powerful reminder of the enduring allure of the classical world and the ability of art to bridge millennia. Visitors to the museum are often struck by the statue's size and presence. Standing before it, one cannot help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. It is a humbling experience, a reminder of the vastness of history and the countless stories that lie buried beneath our feet, waiting to be unearthed. Section 8. Athena's legacy endures. The return of the statue to the public eye has reignited interest in classical art and mythology. Scholars and enthusiasts alike have pored over its details, searching for clues about its origins, its significance, and the people who created it. The statue has become an object of fascination, inspiring countless articles, documentaries, and scholarly works. More than just a beautiful artifact, the statue of Athena serves as a potent symbol of cultural resilience. Despite centuries of neglect and obscurity, it has emerged from the earth as captivating and awe-inspiring as the day it was first carved. Section 9. A timeless presence. The statue of Athena, once hidden from view, now stands proudly on display, a testament to the enduring power of art and the enduring fascination with the classical world. This magnificent piece, carved from marble, has weathered the ravages of time, yet it remains as captivating as ever. The intricate details of her form, from the folds of her robe to the serene expression on her face, speak volumes about the skill and dedication of the ancient artisans who brought her to life. Its story is a reminder that the past is never truly lost, and that even in the most unexpected of places, treasures await to be rediscovered. The journey of this statue from obscurity to prominence is a tale of perseverance and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each artifact unearthed, each piece of history uncovered, adds to the rich tapestry of our shared heritage, connecting us to those who came before. For those who gaze upon her today, she is more than just a statue. She is a symbol of resilience, artistry, and the enduring legacy of the human spirit. Visitors from all walks of life find themselves drawn to her, captivated by her timeless beauty and the stories she embodies. She stands as a bridge between the ancient and the modern, a silent witness to the passage of centuries. Her presence serves as a poignant reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit, much like the art it creates, possesses an unyielding ability to endure, to inspire, and to transcend the boundaries of time. The meticulous restoration efforts that have brought her back to her former glory are a testament to our commitment to preserving the past for future generations. Each chisel mark, each careful brushstroke, is a tribute to the enduring power of human creativity. The Return of Athena is a cause for celebration, a testament to the power of discovery, and a timeless gift from the past to the present. As the crowd gathers to witness her unveiling, there is a palpable sense of connection, a shared appreciation for the beauty and significance of this ancient masterpiece. In her, we find a reflection of our own journey, a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge and beauty is a timeless endeavor.